Hello everyone, today we will learn how to print AutoCAD file. First we need to make this drawing more presentable. As you know, there are parts which shouldn't be seen as a result of intersection. So we need to make those lines hidden. I'm going to use break command. So type BR. Here you can see there are two options, break and break at point. So I'm going to use this break at point. Click on this and select the object and select the point where we want to break. I am pressing space bar for previous command. Here you can see I can't use bracket point on this subject on this object. So I'm going to use simple break command. Now I'm going to use some other lines because for hidden lines we need to have dash lines. So there is no dash line. So let's load those lines. I'm going to use this ISO dash space. Select all those lines. Decrease its line type scale. It's looking good. Make the cone and the cylinder more visible. Now we need to change this font height. As you know, 3 mm is recommended. So let's go to this annotate ribbon. Here you can see we have already selected standard text style. So click on this manage text style and click on this annotative. Type 3 and set it current. Okay, set it current and close it. Select all these fonts. Now all have become 3 mm in height. Now if I change its scale, they will change according to that. So you can see they are not changing because we need to turn this option on. Here you can see they are changing now. Now let's label it. Come to this home ribbon. Click on this text, drop down menu of text. Click on this single line. Type A and close it. Either you can copy this on this all the divisions, or we can simply use this polar array. So select center point. Here you can see it is all rotated, but we want 8 items. And turn this off, rotate items, turn this option off. Select this and explode it. Now we can rename these options. Copy these. Now click on this layout one option. Right click on this. Click on this page setup manager. Modify it. Select this AutoCAD PDF high quality print. Here select A2 594 by 420. Select plot style table acat.stv. Quality presentation. Plot transparency. And then OK. Close. Click on this. Either you can double click on this space or just click on this paper space. Type Z and then enter. Select the area you want to show. Either you can click on this model space or double click outside of this sheet. Here you can see our drawing. It's not clearly visible. You can see our new lines are not showing. So let's make those visible. Type regenerate. Now you can see they are visible. That's okay. Click on this paper space and turn these grids off. You can see we can turn the grids off by this. See, there is one problem. We use annotative text styles, but we didn't use scales. So this is the thing which I forgot to mention. When you all draft your ED's drawing on A2 sheet in 1:1 scale, that is the whole reason I have chosen A2 sheets here. As the people who made these questions, they know the solution can be fully drafted in A2 sheets on 1:1 scale. So that is the reason I have chosen that this annotative standard text styles. So let's do this. When we use that zoom command, we just captured that part of the drawing, but we didn't know what is the scale of those parts. So you can see the scale is 1.268, but we need 1:1. So click on this 1:1 scale. Here you can see this, it is 1:1 and that's what we want. Lock it, a double click outside. Now that's good. Okay, so there is one problem. We didn't change this part of drawing into hidden line. So let's do this. Click on this paper, unlock this drawing. And here we are in model space. You can see if it is written model, we are in model space. Model space means this space. Okay. So if it is written model, we are in model space. So type BR for break. Select this bracket point. Select the point. We know this will be exactly close. It's not accurate, but this will be close to the point where the drawing will be seen intersecting. These two solid will be seen intersecting. Use mesh properties, which is MA. Now it's looking good. Click on paper space, zoom it out. Now select here 1:1 scale. Now long press your mouse wheel and center it. And double click outside. Also lock it. Now double click outside. Now let's print it. Control P. Here we are printing color sheet. So you can choose AK-TV or Autodesk Color STV. If you want a black and white sheet, you can choose this monochrome. And just click on, first you need to see preview. Okay, here you can see, okay, so here you can see there is not so much difference in line weight. So let's make those difference. Go to paper space, go to model space, You can also go from here, select all the projecting lines. Make them 0.05. Now go to layout, type regenerate all. Now press Ctrl P, preview. Okay, here you can see the difference in line weight. So that's what we want. Now print it. You can click on this icon, name the sheet. Okay, our sheet is published.